Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at a used and abused 35th anniversary GPR-B1000 Rangeman. I already covered the regular Rangeman in my reviews, so this video will mostly be an inspection of the wear and the appreciation of a person who, despite having a limited edition anniversary G-Shock, used one the way it was meant to be used. The GPR-B1000 TF, as it is called, was introduced in 2018 as one of 3 models in the Magma Ocean lineup of anniversary models celebrating 35 years of G-Shock. The other 2 models were the GWF-1035 Frogman and an MTG B1000 steel model. So the whole lineup was made with most advanced and premium watches G-Shock could offer at the time. The Rangeman, with its navigation and solar charging features, was the first GPS-equipped watch that didn't require you to charge it. And yes, if you're not going to be using the GPS functionality every day for hours, the solar power itself is enough to keep it charged. This 35th anniversary model is, in my opinion at least, the best looking variant of the Rangeman. The red and rose gold details really elevate it compared to the regular one and make it much more beautiful. This one has been heavily used and abused over the last 3 years, and the owner used it for hiking, diving, and pretty much any activity you can think of. The proof of extensive wear is seen on the resin parts that are starting to show the G-Shock shine we get after years of wear. Although I love the matte finish of fresh resin, this shine does have its charm. The buckle and keeper have also been scratched up, and there is residue in pretty much every crack and cranny of this watch. The thing that interested me the most was the crystal. With a very large surface and not too much protection, some people were skeptical about Casio using sapphire that most people believe will chip and shatter more easily than mineral used on regular G-Shocks. The matter of the fact is that sapphire is tougher in every way possible when made the same thickness as mineral. The easy-to-shatter myth is a result of the fact most manufacturers will use a thinner sapphire where a certain thickness of mineral is needed, thus making it easier to break. When you use a sapphire as thick as the mineral and compare the two, sapphire will always be better in every way possible. This watch proves that, as the crystal is as clear as when the watch was new, with no visible marks, chips, or cracks. So if you had your doubts about sapphire on G-Shocks, you don't have to worry. The rest of the watch still works flawlessly, every button works, and even the rotating crown still works problem-free, in my opinion the weakest part of the Rangeman. I'm very pleased I got to spend some time with this watch and very grateful I crossed paths with a person that abused a premium G-Shock like this. It shows that each and every G-Shock product, regardless of how fancy and upmarket it looks and feels, is always true to its core values: to be a tough watch that can survive anything and everything the owner can, and keep on working without any special care or attention. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.